Sometimes cars need repair and care, either for ordinary service or after a collision. Carliner helps body and paint workshop owners, OEMs, and insurance companies to become more efficient and profitable, while at the same time delivering higher quality repairs and safer cars. The good thing is that our customers can measure the impact of our solutions on their business, follow development, and see how Carliner makes a real difference for them. To start with, our customers can use Carliner's expertise to design the layout of their workshop, making it efficient, lean, and easy to use. We make assessments and provide training for workshop managers, technicians, and staff. We help to implement the right systems tools so that more time can be spent on customers' cars instead of administration. In the workshop, we provide easy-to-use diagnostic tools so our customers quickly can decide whether the car's damage is structural or cosmetic. We install the most efficient workshop equipment for our customers. We offer benches that can handle a range of repairs from large structural to smaller cosmetic. Other equipment, such as our holding systems, database connected measuring equipment, and welding and riveting tools, ensure that our customers do not need to use old-school, time-consuming repair processes. We also provide our customers with complete work bays, where our equipment and wide variety of smart accessories are integrated into a complete repair solution that makes our customers' work easier, healthier, and safer. We also have work bay solutions that meet OEM specifications, as well as special work bays for aluminum and smart repair. For customers on a limited budget, but who still require high-quality, safe repairs, we have special startup equipment and tools. These can always be upgraded with the help of our world-renowned knowledge, training, equipment, and services. All our vehicle data sheets are seamlessly integrated with Caratronic and Vision 2 software. Creating value, saving time, and last but not least, putting safer cars back on the road. Carliner, always straightforward.